In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 best ways to make $1,000 per day online in 2023. First up is selling your skills on Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing platform that allows you to make 6 figures per year from your house by selling a service you have. For example, if you've played the guitar your entire life, you could sell guitar lessons for $100, and you'd only need to do 1 lesson per day to make an extra $36K per year. And that applies for any skill you have. If you're good at something, you can sell it on Fiverr. There's literally people making 6 figures for rubbing cake in their face and singing happy birthday. So you with way better skills than that should be able to make even more than them. And the best part about Fiverr is you can start at the age of 13. So if you're highly skilled at editing, logo design, writing, or literally anything someone would pay for, it's very possible Fiverr could be your full-time job before you finish high school. And the greatest way to start on Fiverr is by selling your service for a low price so you can build strong customer reviews, then slowly increase your price as you get better and receive more reviews. The second way to make 1K per day in 2023 is through social media. And for the people going,
oh, I don't want to show my face on social media,
you don't have to. There's unlimited channels that no one knows who runs them, and they are making more than a lot of channels who show their face. Like take Dream for example. He didn't show his face for 6 years and made over $20 million in that time period. Now, of course, you shouldn't expect to make 20 M's, but it is very possible considering how young the creator economy is. Influencers make money from ads, brand deals, UGC, selling their own products, etc. And those income sources could easily make you 1K per day if you make banger videos. Like, let's take my social media presence for example. I personally make 5 figures from affiliates, 5 figures from brand deals, and this January of 2023 is going to be my first 10K month from just ads. So if we take the smallest 5 figures amount, which is 10K for those 3 income sources, that equals 30 grand in 30 days, which is a minimum of $1,000 per day. And even though it may not seem possible to you right now, I promise you can make even more than that if you're dedicated. The third method is probably the most talked about side hustle ever. But even with that being the case, it is still 100% doable and able to make you unlimited money in 2023. It's drop shipping. Drop shipping is when you find a product from a Chinese supplier for say $5, then you create a website and brand around that product, promote it on social media, and when someone buys it, you get the difference, which would be $15 in that scenario. It is by far the best side hustle to learn sales, marketing, outreach, and loads of other profitable skills while also making you a lot of money. So if you want to finally get rich in 2023, I'd highly recommend you start drop shipping by watching my in-depth tutorial. It shows you every step a complete beginner needs to do to succeed and a secret way to start drop shipping for free. So watch that right now, hit subscribe, and God bless.